Choose a niche in which you will create content, but narrow it down to something more specific. Then write down 50 video ideas and then highlight the ones you will click if you were 50% less interested in the topics, and make sure that they are not already on YouTube. These ideas are going to be the ideas you will use. Then start writing the script. Pay close attention to the hook, focusing on the key points, which are beliefs, desires, fears, pains, suspicions of your target audience. And beside that, just be 10 times yourself. Then set up your camera and microphone and record 3 times, and then get to your editing software and mash the style to your niche. Once you've completed everything, watch your video 2 to 3 times and go to sleep. Only when you have had a very good and a wonderful sleep should you brainstorm titles and thumbnails. Either come out with your own or derive inspiration from other niches. The title needs to promise something impactful that did happen in the video. The same applies to the thumbnail, but don't be a copycat and keep them as simple as possible. Then hit the upload and repeat this process once or twice a week. And whenever a video on YouTube advice appears on your main page, click on it and watch. This will get your feed filled up with useful videos. Lastly, subscribe to this channel and check the description below for a free YouTube advice.